Amir, hey, Papa.
You see wife's bag again.
Your wife's background, so. Papa. Uncle Amir, you come to your wife's bag. Make your people and say, you can actually even understand? Your people and say you can roll and move around you now. Come now, man. Come.
Make it back make nice.
Come feedback, come. Come feedback. Come feedback. Come feedback. Come feedback now, Papa. Yeah. Come, Amir, come.
You should put them on film. Amir, go for the bag.
Bag, I see your freak.
Yeah.
The fuck you ain't gonna see? Boss, I see your freak. People Amir can roll over now. We can't leave Amir on the bed. And if you must sleep, you can't leave him on
Catch him attempt to roll from him back, go from him belly, and you're supposed to do that yet. You're supposed to get him from him belly to him back.
But me see him roll off and back to him belly.
With much effort. Go on. Me get support.
You can do it, you know? If any you not pay no money, you reach out to so long time.
Yeah, that's it.
Ginal.
See my go try there. Anytime I see me down soon,
You want to roll.
I want to go roll.
We'll make you subscribe and see. Go on.
Remember, the bag is over here.
I play Ginal ship.
I'm going to turn go over there instead of roll. See?
That little boy, I smart, you're afraid. That's him.
Bye. You know just where my dear. See? Yay! The bag make a turn.
You roll by your back and we catch you. Abby.
The bag here.
Go on, feedback here. Come, feedback here. Come, feedback. Come, feedback now.
About the equation. I'm try use the foot for ice up your body. Shake it back again.
Come, feed. Come, feedback.
I'm going to say you can stay with that. No, then the straight then. Use up your muscle.
You're a Ginal. You're a Ginal.
Good boy. Rock. Over. No, Amir, we had to swim.
Come, Papa, you can do it, Papa. Papa, you can do it, Papa. Come, Papa, come, you can do it. Come.
Shake it back. Motivation.
Look at the measurements. You see when do I stretch off I.
Amir, yeah. Amir, you know this way. You go that tired. You know what you have?
You must know him,
because I know if you try to say you can't grab it. Not too much, try to grab it. That's it.
Then you must grab it. Give me. Give me. Go on for now.
Try again.
No one roll, you know.
You know what's certain occasion, I mean, just flip over. And when you're not looking through, you flip over.
Come, Papa. Come. A lollipop? Hmm? A lollipop? Hmm? A lollipop? A lollipop? Hmm? Come to you. Where you want? People are me and I puke so often again. I remember one time as a camera cup and me and puke.
My girl type puke. Where you flicker go?
We know you can't sit down. Make it people say you can't sit down. People are here just happy, saying nah stay. But you can't sit down people. I'm here sitting up right through.
Where you going?
You can't sit down by himself like if him to get up and sit down, but if you put him to sit down, he will sit down.
6 months in that.
Amir? Papa? Hello, Papa. Amir? Hey. Amir has cartoon, guys, and Amir watching cartoon in focus. So just mix 4 ounces of feeding gram here. You see me? So man, boss here take time and drink that. Amir. 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 You think feet and belly full? Belly full? I don't know you digest that, then I'll be in time. Okay, Papa? Okay? Guys, Amir and Papa sleep now, so you don't know.